Hi guys, hello, vanakkam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dhabaswin here. So today's date is October 20, 2020, Tuesday, and I'm going to unbox and talk about an important product. We can also call it as a device, which is this. I haven't unboxed it yet. I just ordered this last Saturday and I received it yesterday. Let's just start with the unboxing of this package. So this is the Ajjas safety device. This is like an GPS device, but it's not just a GPS device. It's a safety and security device. This offers a lot of features and I won't be telling you guys each and every features. I'll put the link in description. You can check it out. Device oda ella features website la clear ah kuduthirukanga. So edukku na time waste pannite. So guys, that's all for this video. Wait, this video is not over yet. What I'm going to do is I'll be giving an ownership review of this device, because I just bought this device for my Athena, and actually I've been using this device with my Achilles for nearly a year now. I have been using this device since November 27, 2019 to be precise. This has been one awesome product so far. Initially, the reason why I bought this is like my parents wanted to track me every now and then, because I was doing a lot of solo rides. Initially, before buying this product, what I actually do is I share my location via WhatsApp or Google Maps. It's so time consuming. I need to update it every now and then. But with this device installed, I have no need for that. They just install this Ajjas app on their mobiles and they could just track it. Yes, Ajjas has their own app, and it's quite easy and reliable to use. And also with this, I could keep a track of all the rides I have went previously. Tracking me is what my parents wanted, and what I wanted is to track my Achilles, because everywhere during a ride, I'll be parking the bike everywhere. I'll be going somewhere. I'll be going for food. சாப்பிட போவேன், அப்புறம் ஒரு டூரிஸ்ட் லொகேஷன் போனால் அங்கே நிப்பாட்டி பார்க் பண்ணிட்டு போவேன். ஸோ அந்த நேரம் வந்து வாட் மை மைண்ட் வில் பி லைக் whether the bike is safe or not, something like that. So after getting this product, I don't have that feeling anymore. I don't have that thought anymore, because I could easily track the bike using the app, and it's quite reliable to use. Even if someone just shakes the bike, I will get a notification from the Ajjas app. Let me just do a demo and show it to you guys. I'll just shake the bike and show you guys. Wait. See, wait a second. See, I have a notification as vibration sensed. So this is what I was talking about. Another feature is that when the bike gets turned on, I get a call from Ajjas app. Let me just show you guys that as well. See, again I got a message as vibration sense. So let me just so now I will just switch it on and show. Right. See, I'm getting a call as Ajjas ignition. These are the few features that I found important with relation to the bike, which comes under the safety and security of the bike. But now let's talk about the safety of the rider part. The most important feature of all is that this has an accident alert feature. So if we meet with an accident or a crash, a call will be dialed from the Ajjas server to the emergency contacts. While setting up the device with the app, we'll be asked to enter 3 emergency contacts. I actually had an experience with this and it works. So you guys know about the code crash, right? I've talked about it quite a few times in my channel, and you guys know how I crashed also, right? After I crashed, I got up, I was checking whether I have any injuries, and then I was checking whether my gadgets are fine. And just 2 minutes after I crashed, I received a call from my dad. He was saying that he received a call that accident detected on the bike. So see how reliable it is. Just I think just 2 minutes after the crash, my dad called me. So just 1 minute or just some seconds after I crashed, they just received the call. It's too awesome. I actually saw this call when I had an off-road fall during my Sirmalai ride. My dad was with me, so when I fell, again my emergency contacts, my dad, my mom and my grandfather, they received a call. So and as my dad was with me, I just saw that call getting ringed, and I felt it's quite awesome. And for your information guys, both the times I was on full gear, so I didn't get any injuries. And another thing is that after 3 days, I think I received a call from the Ajjas team. They were asking me about whether I'm doing okay and something like that. Since they found out I had an accident. It's so kind of them to ask, and thanks Team Ajjas for making a wonderful product and for your love and support. And about the installations of this device, it's so simple. You just need to connect these with the positive and negative points of the battery, and that's it. Once fitted on the bike, they will be scheduling an appointment for online installation. Tech person will contact us, and they'll be doing that calibration and stuff. And once it's done, we're then good to go. So finally, the price of this device. There are 2 variants. The one is the optimizer, which costs 3,200 rupees, and the other one is the maximizer, which costs 5,000 rupees. Actually, both the devices are the same, but feature wise it differs a bit. Features like unlimited storage of writes on their server, and the number of logins at a time with the maximizer is more. Number of logins na ipa na vandu or ஆப்பில் வந்து லாகின் பண்ணுறேன், ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் வச்சு லாகின் பண்ணுறேன்னா என்னோட அப்பா இல்லை அம்மா யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தர் தான் லாகின் பண்ண, ஸோ 2 பேர் தான் அட் அ டைம் லாகின் பண்ண முடியும். பட் வித் த மேக்ஸிமைசர் 4 people கேன் லாகின் அட் அ டைம். அண்ட் எஸ், ஆஃப்டர் பையிங் தி ஆப்டிமைசர், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு அப்கிரேட், we can do that as well. Also guys, there will be a SIM card fixed in the device, and for that we need to be paying a subscription fee of 1,000 rupees per year. And for the first year, for the first 1 year, they are giving it for free. That is, they won't be charging that 1,000 rupees for the first year. From the next year onwards, we need to be paying it. So I told you guys that the maximizer offers unlimited storage of rides, right? So let me just show you guys the Valentine's Day ride, in which I spotted the Meteor 350. In the exported video, we can see things like only speed, time, distance and average speed. In the app, we can view a lot more info than that. Let me just screen record and post it. We can view info like top speed, maximum lean angle, total time and distance. So that's all for this video guys. I'm just gonna get down and install this device on my Athena. And actually I'm not going to show you guys where I'm going to install it on Athena. Consider this as an advice. Never post pictures on where you install it on your social media handles. It's just for your own safety. Never post it on social media. And I hope you guys found this video useful. And if you guys like this, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, doubts or any feedback you want to tell on this video, just post it on the comment section. Also share this video with your friends guys, because due to this pandemic situation, there's a lot of economical crisis, and there are a lot of robberies and thefts happening everywhere. So having a safety device like this adds an extra protection to your bike. நமக்கு வந்து நம்ம பைக் தான் முக்கியம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சேஃப்டி டிவைஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சேஃப்டி தான். அந்த we could prevent those things from happening. We can prevent our bikes from getting stolen or something. And guys, நான் வந்து இந்த டிவைஸ் தான் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன். I'll be recommending this device. There are a lot of devices available in the market, but I'll be suggesting this because I've used it and I had a good experience with it. That's why. And finally guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also click the bell icon if you want to receive notifications when I post my next videos. And always remember guys, safety is the first priority for you and also for your bike as well. So always wear a helmet and try to use this safety devices. And if you go on rides, try to wear proper riding gears. KD out and bye. Wait, before ending the video, I told you guys in my previous video that I was planning a ride for Sunday, but due to rain the plan got cancelled. But I mentioned in that video in post-processing, plan A is a go. Yes, there was a plan A. The Sunday ride was just a plan B, it's just a short ride, but plan A is a big one and there is a surprise with it. So I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.